ಮಡಿಕೇರಿಯ ಜನರಲ್ ತಿಮ್ಮಯ್ಯ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಶಾಲೆಯ 27ನೇ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವವು ಸಂಭ್ರಮದಿಂದ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಶಾಲೆಯ ಸಭಾಂಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಕೂರ್ಗ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನಲ್ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಎಎಸ್ ಮುತ್ತಣ್ಣ ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಬದುಕು ಉಜ್ವಲವಾಗಲೆಂದು ಶುಭ ಹಾರೈಸಿದರು.
Keeping their eyes open what's happening around the school and outside this district to participate and also win prizes. That's wonderful. It is truly an honor and pleasure to join you all today for these wonderful annual day celebrations. Standing here, I feel the enthusiasm and joy that fills this campus. This is where knowledge is nurtured, talents are shaped, and futures are built. Annual Day is not just a celebration of school's achievements, but a celebration of the spirit of learning. This is a time to assess and appreciate how far students have progressed, be it academics, sports, discipline, and character. While academics and sports are on one side, which can be taught through corrections and can be assessed through the performance and examinations in the field. But character and discipline has to come within from home, and an individual has to cultivate to be disciplined always. For example, punctuality, honesty, being polite, loyalty, or some of the characters to do school, one has to learn, cultivate themselves. All you students are the future of this great nation. What you learn now will stay with you forever. Learn the right qualities now. Never be late even if a friend has given a time to you. Never take things casually. I have always maintained time and never been late for a casual function or an important meeting. Honesty and sincerity is another aspect. Never tell lies or take what is not yours. Do not hide anything from superiors or elders.
ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷತೆಯನ್ನು ಜನರಲ್ ತಿಮ್ಮಯ್ಯ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಹಾಗೂ ಕೊಡವ ಸಮಾಜದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಎಂಪಿ ಮುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ವಹಿಸಿದ್ದರು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿ ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು, ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರು, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಹಾಗೂ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು, ಪೋಷಕರು ಹಾಜರಿದ್ದರು. ಸಾಧಕ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಂದ ನಡೆದ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ವೈಭವ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಗಮನ ಸೆಳೆಯಿತು.
Schooling is one of the most important aspects a person should actually enjoy. But what happens is, when it's a rat race in today's era, everyone wants to get first rank, everyone wants to be on top of one list, which I don't think is the right way of competing in today's day and age. What we need to install is good values, good respect for elders, and especially the environment, as Muttana sir said. Reason is, everyone's only thinking of our own selfish needs, wherein when we want to earn money, and it's becoming a very small kind of a view in mind, wherein we want only, money makes us happy is what the general concise thinking of public perception is now, which has to change.